So in this Scotiabank app tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign up for a cashback credit card here on the Scotiabank application. So once the Scotiabank online banking app is opened up, make sure you're on the home page here, go to the middle to where it says credit cards and then press on add card. Once it brings you over to the Discover Credit Card page, I want you guys just to wait a couple seconds. Then I want you to scroll down to where it says browse by category. So there's travel and lifestyle, cashback, which is what you're looking for right here. So simply go ahead and press cashback just like this. Now it's going to filter out all the cashback credit cards. So if you were to scroll down, there are 5 cards selected here. There's the Scotia Momentum Visa Infinite card. There's the Scotia Momentum Visa card right here. There's the Scotia Momentum No Fee Visa card. There's the Scotia Momentum MasterCard credit card. And then finally, the Scotia Momentum Visa. That is for students. So if you wanted to go ahead here and just select, for example, the Scotia Momentum No Fee Visa card, you can go ahead and press apply now. It'll then bring you to the next page right here where you can begin the application process. So you can scroll down, you can see your progress, you can read more about the credit card, the cashback credit card here, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, press agree and continue to proceed during the application process. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to sign up for a cashback credit card on the Scotiabank application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.